So what is up mga tropang pogi? Kamusta kayo dyan? No? So I'm going to ask you today with this question. What makes you happy? What makes you happy? Ano yung mga bagay? Sino yung mga tao? Ano yung mga nagpapasaya sa'yo? Because we are going to talk about happiness. And what is meaning of true happiness for you? So we are going to discuss about that. And I will share to you guys na para sa akin, ano yung mga bagay na nakakapagpasaya at ano yung bagay na tunay na nakakapagbigay ng kasiyahan sa buhay ng isang tao. So you ready? So yun, let's do this. Let's go. And dun sinearch ko yung word na happiness sa Merriam-Webster. Ang nakalagay dun is the state of being happy or an experience of being happy. So we are going to talk about happiness and the definition of it. Let's go. Okay guys, konting disclaimer lang. So ito is my personal thinking lang about happiness. So I'm not going against what you think or kung ano yung paniniwala mo sa tunay na kaligayahan, no? So ito lamang yung ilan sa mga bagay na sasabi kong ito yung tingin ko or ito yung definition ko of true happiness. So let's go. For me, happiness is your decision to make. How do I say so? It's your decision kung magiging masaya ka sa araw na ito or sa situation mong ito. Because we never know what will happen to our lives. So, it's still your decision. If you want to be happy on this very day, sa mga mangyayari sa buhay mo, if you will still choose to be happy no matter what will happen. Okay? And one of the things that I think happiness is, it's your attitude of the heart. It's the attitude of your heart. Why? Because happiness starts from your heart. Because kahit gaano kaganda yung nangyayari sa buhay mo or gaano man kapangit yung nangyayari sa buhay mo, if you will still choose, if you will still have an attitude on your heart na maging masaya dun sa particular situation ng buhay mo, then you will remain happy. How do I say so? Because happiness comes from within. It comes from within. It's inside of your personality. It comes from your heart. And sabi sa Bible, kung ano laman ng puso mo, yun din lumalabas sa bibig mo. So kung masaya yung puso mo, masasayang bagay yung lalabas sa bibig mo. Tama naman, di ba? So it's an attitude of your heart. And konting trivia lang guys. Wow, may remote. Konting trivia lang guys. Don't put your happiness to a thing sa isang bagay or sa isang tao. Why? Because all of a sudden, it will fail you. Why? How do I say so? Because if you will put your happiness to a thing or to a person, there will be times na magfe-fail sila na hindi ibigay yung satisfaction ng happiness mo, then you will be disappointed. And if you will be disappointed, mawawala yung happiness, mawawala yung trust. Tama. Maging masaya ka with them, maging masaya ka with those things, pero wag mong ilalagay yung dependency ng kaligayahan mo dun sa tao or sa bagay na yun. Because when the time comes na mag-fail sila na ibigay yung satisfaction ng happiness mo, you will be disappointed, masasaktan ka lang, and then you will turn into a failure. Sasabihin mo, nagkamali ka ng taong naging rason ng kasiyahan mo. Then all of a sudden, mawawala yung kasiyahan mo, magiging malungkot ka. And that's bad.
And one thing pa guys, happiness is a habit. Ano ang habit?
So, based dito sa sinearch ko, habit is a settled or regular tendency or practice, especially one that is hard to give up. Habit is a constant thing. Ito yung paulit-ulit mong ginagawa. And if happiness is one of your habit, it will always flow on your personality. You will always be happy. Okay? And guys, I'm going to be serious at this one. Happiness for me is doing the right thing. Doing the right thing in a sense na kahit i-judge ka ng iba, or kahit na i-mock, or kahit na may i-discuss silang about sa'yo na against, is you will still do the right thing. For me kasi, ganito guys, hindi porket nakikita mo na yun yung ginagawa ng nakararami ay yun na ang tama. At hindi porket yun yung nakikita mong tingin ng iba na tamang gawin is yun na ang tama. There is a right thing to do in every situation. Okay? Sometimes, we are looking for happiness pag tayo'y down, pag tayo'y may problema, and we thought that there are things in life na makakapagpasaya sa atin, like drugs, like alcohol, being a womanizer, name it. How do I say so? Because I've been there. I've tried that. I thought that those things will make me happy. Then all of a sudden, hindi ko alam na yung pala yung dadagdag lang ulit sa problema ko. Na akala ko, yun na yung magiging satisfaction ko to make myself happy. Then I realized na hindi pala. And dumating sa time na nagkaroon pa nga kami ng mga kaibigan ko dati ng isang quote na ang sinasabi namin is, ang buhay ay hindi tungkol sa pahabaan. Ang buhay ay about sa pasarapan. And we thought na yun yung pagiging tunay na masaya sa buhay. And I thought of that too. Then I realized what really makes me happy. Then sa susunod, after nito, ito na, i-reveal ko na kung ano yung tunay na higit na nakakapagpasaya sa akin. And guys, this is what really makes me happy. Happiness with the Lord. Yes. Happiness in a sense na meron akong kapanatagan, meron akong kapayapaan sa puso na no matter what will happen, I know my God, I know that the Lord will sustain me, that He will hold me, and He will protect me. I am not saying na masyado akong mabait for God to do those things for me. No. Kung ako lang, wala akong kabaitan sa katawan, puro ako kawalang yaan. Pero wala, gracious si Lord, and sobrang bait niya sa tao and sa akin. So that's why naging dependent ako sa pagiging masaya ko sa kung anong ginagawa ni Lord sa buhay ko. And for me, that is the satisfaction of true happiness. Putting my trust in the Lord, putting my hope in the Lord, and yung happiness ko that comes from Him. Na hindi man ganun kaganda yung sitwasyon ko ngayon, meron na akong pinagdadaanan, I have a proper attitude of heart towards Him na nagtatrust na, Lord, after this, I know you will still do something great in my life. And sabi na Lord sa John 16:33, I say these things to you, that in me you may have peace. In this world you will have trouble, but take heart, I have overcome the world. So, I have this kind of confidence na no matter what the situation is, no matter how hard the trial is, I would still have this kind of attitude of my heart na yung full dependency ko ay nasa Diyos, ay nasa Lord. How do I say so? Because yun yung sinabi niya sa salita niya eh. Take heart, I have overcome the world. So I have this confidence na kahit gaano kahirap yung situation ko is I will still remain happy. Hindi ko sinasabing hindi na ako nakakaramdam ng kalungkutan, but I decided not to focus on the sadness, rather focus on the happiness that God is bringing into my life. We will face a lot of troubles in life, but we must take heart. We must still remain steadfast. Na kahit ano at kahit gaano kahirap yung pinagdadaanan, is we have this kind of faith in life na masasabi natin na, Lord, thank you kasi dahil sa'yo, meron akong lakas ng loob to do those things. And before I end this vlog, I want to ask you guys, ano yung mga bagay na nagpapasaya sa'yo? Or sino yung mga nagpapasaya sa'yo? Ano yung mga ginagawa mo na nagpapasaya sa'yo? Just think about those things, no? So, let us focus on the happiness rather than focusing on the sadness. I am not saying na wag na kayo makaramdam ng kalungkutan. I am not saying that tao tayo, nakakaramdam tayo niyan. But the thing here is let us focus on the happiness on our lives. Okay ba yan? And I hope na may natutunan kayo kahit paano sa vlog kong to. So yun, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Mag-comment kayo kung ano yung mga bagay na gusto nyo pang mas maunawaan sa buhay, and we will discuss about those things na tingnan natin kung hanggang saan na makakaya natin with the help of the Lord. So, God bless everyone. Thank you for watching my vlog. And anyway, sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta at nanonood, within this week, I will reveal ano yung ipaparaffle ko, ano yung ipamimigay ko. ano yung i-share ko sa inyo na meron ako. So, thank you for watching my vlog. Thank you for keep on supporting me. Yan. Thank you mga tropa po. So, see you on my next vlog. Let's go!